Hello guys, I'm Afreen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Afreen's Cooking Paradise. Today we are going to make Oreo milkshake. Before starting a video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Today we are going to make Oreo milkshake. Let's get started. In a blender jar, add 2 cups of milk and add 6 Oreos. Break into pieces. Add 1/4 cup of vanilla ice cream. It's totally optional. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 4 ice cubes or chilled water. After adding, blend it well. And make a smooth drink out of it. And it's ready to serve. Take it out in a glass. And decorate with Oreo chunks. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.